happy Father's Day to all the fathers and all the father figures of America and the world. Yeah, we're getting ready to go to the Vegan Fest. I'm still getting ready. My sister's still getting ready. And we're waiting for my little cousin to get ready because we're going to go scoop him and then go. It's probably going to be hot. It's at the same place that the Juneteenth festival was yesterday. But I'm hoping they got food samples because it's a vegan festival. When I think vegan, I think of food. I mean, it'll be cool if people were out there talking about saving the animals in other ways besides eating plant-based. But let's just be honest. I'm here for the food. I'm here for the samples, if that's a thing. Hopefully it is. I know it's still kind of panoramic outside. We will be wearing masks like we were yesterday. A lot of people weren't, but we were. Yes, it was hot as hell, but I still did it. Safety first. My daddy said I had to wear my mask. I mean, I was going to wear it anyways, but yeah. I'm about to give y'all a little plant tour on my mom's patio. It's so cute out here. But I'm waiting for her to bring another plant back up because I don't know what plant she wants to bring up. So in the meantime, I'm just going to put my earrings in. And yeah, I'll be back in a minute. I'm thinking about taking my hair out, y'all. I don't want to, in the sense that I love my hair like this. I really love these locks. I love how I look in locks. But I need to wash my hair. I told him we was waiting on you. I thought you was bringing another plant. Oh, you bring out decoration.
Yeah, this is my plant stuff.
I wish I knew y'all sat outside like that because I could have brought y'all the rest of that Centinela candle for when we went camping.
Is there a bug out here?
No.
Usually.
Do you have to feed the plant or do it get its own food?
No, it'll get its own food, but I feed it sometimes.
I should have got 2 of these. But they give me another one on each side for the Centinela candles.
Oh, that will be so cute. You trying to go back today?
Okay, so if you
Those
see a
2
wasp or
$2.50.
something.
A wasp?
Wasp. It's usually a little bug.
Why you want me to risk
The
my
black
life?
bugs run across the ground or sometimes. Just pick it up on the tip, right? And then
It's hot out here already.
My daddy trying to get me to feed his Venus flytrap. You just can't buy bugs from the store or something? You gotta really be out here hunting?
no, I can't do that for my. I do it for the fun.
It must have ate all the bugs because I don't see not one bug out here.
They said they crawling sometimes.
Not many though. They had the little net thing at what's the face too.
Let me show y'all their plants that's on the patio. Okay, so this is a money tree, right?
Yes.
What kind is these?
Snake plant.
I'll put mine outside too. Oh, it's also called a mother-in-law son.
Yep.
This is your lavender you grew from seed, right?
Yes.
So how long when did you first plant it?
I think it would be March. I think it was March, not April.
So from March to June, oh, you got some sprouts. So I wonder, is it just gonna keep looking like this, or is it gonna eventually have a little purple on it?
It's gonna eventually have the purple on it, but I think that's probably not gonna be until next season.
Oh, dang, lavender slow, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Y'all, it's like the plant sanctuary. It's so many plants in the house. I should go through and try to count them. Maybe I will.
I counted
that. How many is it?
It was 26.
26 plants, y'all. I got like, I got less than 10 for sure. This is my daddy Venus flytrap. They be looking sick to me, but I guess that's just how they look. Wait, what about that one with the little brown on it? Is that okay?
It's open. You talking about the one that's open?
I'm talking about the little like brown part.
Oh, don't make. I don't know. I think he stressed them out when he was trying to feed them the worms. A lot of them had the black on them like that, but I guess the rest of them came back.
Okay, so they can get overwhelmed by eating too much.
Yes, stress them out.
Wow. Man,
Kind of like our bodies, but we don't know that.
Right.
It be stressed
We
out.
just ignore it.
Exactly.
Flinch they just look like overworked.
You have to put this lavender in full sun. It came with this pot that the lavender on it.
Oh, that's cute. Where'd you get that from? That look like a Target find.
Kroger.
Okay. I'm gonna check out that plant.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my
We're about to taste test this. They're from Costco. You know how much they are, Mom?
I think they were $12.99.
$12.99 for 20. We're about to taste it. They're made with zucchini, carrots, oat milk, brown rice flour. No, not oat milk. Oats.
Oh, yeah.
Zucchini, carrots, cranberry.
Gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, tree nut-free, and peanut-free.
It's pretty good.
Okay, some hot tea or coffee, that'd be real good.
Yeah, it really would be good with some hot tea or coffee. I totally agree. Wow. That was, yeah, that'd be really, ooh, some hot cup make you want a little cup of Starbucks. It's good, y'all. Ooh, let me get in line.
My hand here, that's what we had washed up.
Any questions as we go, feel free to ask. I do.
Y'all, I'm taking my hair down tonight.
Yeah, your name. What my partner is trying to
It'll more than likely be a separate video. Hey, y'all, we about to pack some snacks. What am I going to take to the vegan festival? Let's check it out. Do y'all want to go to the festival or y'all just want to create y'all own snacks right there?
Come on, let's go. I can't keep it down.
Oh, don't be blaming it on me, kids. Don't blame it on me.
We've been waiting on him all morning, people. Waiting on him all morning. Ooh, I don't know how I missed it when I came in here. Ooh wee. Okay, y'all, this is an old TV that was in the living room. It's not on the dresser. Wow, y'all could watch the movie real nice.
Stop it.
That's a good size. That's a good size, Shell. I know you don't watch TV and stuff.
Blue sky, red sky, blue sky.
That's a nice size. Y'all, this is the new TV
place
right here.
something new
I don't know. Daddy, what you watching?
a nun wouldn't have.
Lucifer.
Oh, this is Lucifer. I'm gonna start that.
Something.
I'm gonna start that.
Let's hear it.
Go ahead and blog about it.
I am. I just turned the camera on. Welcome to the short side. So, let me tell y'all how I ended up in the back seat. Y'all see the whole vlog. I've been in the front. Turn it down a little bit there. Turn the music down. Y'all see I've been in the front seat the whole time. How I get in the back seat? My daddy said, if my cousin taller than me, I gotta get in the back seat. I'm trying to understand. But it's not fair because I can't grow fast as he can grow. I'm done growing. I'm not that young anymore. My bones through.
Which way, Shell?
Where you
Petty.
trying to go?
Where we supposed to be?
Petty.
Elaborate. Oh,
This your song.
I'ma leave the door. I feel it. They do. They really.
Okay, y'all. We leaving the parking garage again like we were yesterday. We gotta exercise before we get to the destination. This is the warm up, I guess.
We parked on 6.
Like, and I don't understand. My daddy is running, so I don't know.
It's so hot.
Like, it's like we're really doing the stairs. Like, it's kind of summertime.
Oh.
And I have on sandals, but whatever. It is what it is. He's all the way down there. We just back here talking shit.
Oh God.
Trying to make our way. I don't even see. Shaya, where you at? Oh, here they go. Here they go. Why y'all running down the steps? And Shaya, you getting on down with your dress too. I'm tired of y'all bodybuilding and stuff.
Look at all them folks.
Are they trying to go up or down?
They trying to pack.
Oh. Why you didn't put them on the app, Daddy?
Ooh, sure feel better than it did yesterday.
But it felt like this right before we got in. Then we got in and it got hot.
Probably
Remember?
got around all of them people.
2 hours.
Probably.
1 hour, right here. Gotta wait.
We'll do 2 today. Don't do.
Because hopefully we got to eat. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, we still got our same color.
Okay, y'all. So we about to go into the
You got to
festival.
start shaving down your neck. Put some
Shell the dermatologist. What do you need to put down there, Shell?
there.
Whoa, I don't think that's right. Don't do that, y'all. Don't listen to that. It's looking like, you know, people got clothing, people got food, people got they look like homemade body products and stuff. Yeah. Don't make me vegan. Oh, it's just like a lot of different food. That's what I'm talking about. My cousin, they got a cauliflower. How much is it? It's $40.
That's not bad.
I know, I love it. I probably.
Oh, it got pockets.
Oh, we got pockets. Oh, wow. I love it.
Jazz Rich here.
Okay, so this is what? Just like a green juice?
Spinach, kale, stuff.
Pineapple? Oh, that's good. That's really good. What y'all taste like?
Oh, that's good. Yeah, pineapple.
Y'all, the line's so long. Every food place you want, you just gonna have to just sacrifice and get in line.
So all the beads and necklace are custom made and hand knotted. If you wanted to place a custom order specifically to like whatever colors or any beads that you're interested in, you can do that.
Oh, awesome. Are you guys just local or do you ship?
No, definitely ship.
Oh, you ship? Awesome, awesome. Okay, cool. Awesome.
And it's on the Lazy Vegan Guide, so all the model information.
Okay, awesome. Ooh, I'm glad to know y'all ship. Okay. Yeah, I love it. Your inner yogurt. Awesome. Thank you. I got to take it.
Don't worry about it.
I think I'm gonna go with this one. Thank you. Enjoy.
Yes.
Okay, y'all, this was really good. Chlorophyll lemonade. I never had it before. Really good.
I told my cousin to kiss myself because they
Slow down, slow down. What is going on? What is going
We
on?
was trying to catch y'all because we just said we was just gonna eat later.
All right, let's go. I ain't even arguing. Let's do it.
Nah, y'all gonna put it on me.
No, because Miles said he wanted nachos. I was like, oh, come on, let's go to Nacho Line. He's like, no, the line's too long.
That was their end though. They didn't leave here when I said that though.
Alright, we got an
So
hour.
then,
Okay, okay.
so we just gonna eat later.
Okay, well y'all can
So have y'all decided?
Music about to start.
Have y'all decided? Hey, y'all. You trying to stand in line?
Hey y'all.
You might move pretty quick. Listen, what do y'all want to do?
I can
No pressure on
Okay.
either side.
Okay, Miles said he can wait. Time to wait.
Okay, let's go then. We made a decision. We're gonna go.
Oh, we gotta hear the music first.
What is going on?
We gotta hear the music. It's cool right here. It's cool.
What is going on?
It's cool.
I already made the decision and now y'all can't make it again.
Have a
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number.